Hello and welcome to another video. Today we have this SKODA SCALA, and what we've just completed is the front optical parking sensors and the park assist. The car came originally from the factory with the reversing camera and the rear sensors. We've added the front sensors as well as the side sensors and the whole park assist system. So as you can see, we can see the front sensors that are barely visible, one there, and obviously we added the front sensors as well, which are here, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Sorry that you can see some rain marks on the bumper, but we've taken it for a test once we completed it, and it's just been raining, so you can see all these marks now on it because the sun just came out. The car originally had the rear sensors. We have another sensor, the side sensor here as well, and it had the rear sensors already as a factory. We added the sides and the front. So let's now check how this system works. Right, so I'm in the car. I just want to show you the newly installed switches in the car are this one for the parking sensors. This activates front and rear sensors. The car automatically activates when you select the reverse gear, or when you approach the object, it will automatically bring up the screen with the sensors as well. But obviously this is newly added. And then the other newly added switch is the park assist button here as well that we've just done. So now what we're going to try to do, we get the park assist to park the car between the white van and the red car there. We're going to try to squeeze it into that space there. So let's now activate the system and we'll show you how it works. So we press first the newly installed park assist switch, and as you can see there, the system activates and shows us with the indicator, we indicate which side we want to park the car on. We're just driving slowly, and the monitor will give us instructions what to do. So as you can see, it has already found the space and it's just guiding us, showing the arrow forward to tell us go forward. And then when it finds the space, it gives us the arrow to reverse now. So we need to select the reverse gear, and we just need to now follow the instructions by just controlling the brake pedal and selecting reverse or forward drive. The steering wheel will turn itself, and as you can see in the camera and the way we're parking, we're just trying to get in the space. This car is just parking itself pretty much. So it's just telling us move forward, move backward, and every time it changes the direction of the arrow, we just need to change the gear and release the brakes. So we're moving forward slightly and until it tells us again, okay, reverse slightly again. So we're just reversing now. You can see we've got quite a lot of space behind the car, and as you can see, park assist stop, please take over the steering. So that means we have completed the parking. As you can see, I'm parked right in front of the red car
bar nearby,
and right behind the white van as we wanted to. And I'm parked quite close to the edge here. If I open the door, you can see we are in line with the other vehicles. So that's how the park assist works. It's done to the factory specification, including 3 years warranty. For more information, get in touch with us. Links will be in the description. Thank you for watching this video and see you next one. Bye bye.